Hello! Today I'd like to introduce to you POW. POW is a power panel that monitors and takes a bit of control of the power in your modular, what happens in the back that you usually don't see. It has four main functions. First off, it is an on-off switch, so you can turn the power supply on and off in the back. This is made mainly for my power supply that I've made. This one, the PSU 2 or the PSU 05 works as well. There is a switch where usually you just bridge this. If you've built one of these, you just bridge the switch. That is where this switch comes in. So it stops the AC power, 12 volt AC or 15 volt AC power to the power supply, so the whole AC power is without power. There is nothing. So it breaks it before the circuit starts. It is not meant to switch a mains voltage, so do not connect AC voltage into this one. That is, I highly say no, don't do that. It is not built for that. It is made for transformed power down to up to 30 volts maybe, something like that, which you can use to input to this one too, or input to these types of power supplies that transforms it down to plus minus 12 volts. So that's the first thing. It's a on-off switch. The second thing, it is a monitoring tool. So you have three diodes, LEDs, for showing that plus 12 volts, minus 12 volts and plus 5 volts work. The rails of the output works. And that is by connecting another ribbon cable into this one. That makes sure that works. There has been some people who have trouble with, especially if they have a digital module connected to one of these power supplies. It doesn't always turn on, so and the plus rails doesn't turn on, and only the negative rails turn on. And then you fix that by turning the power supply off and on again, just like a computer. And then it usually jumps back up and works. So this was, I had this problem with one of mine actually that had a digital module on them. So by doing this, I now can see if it turns on or not, and I can turn it back on if it doesn't start the first time. Second one. Third one is you got a USB power output. So if you have a USB light, as I have up there, you don't see that there, a USB light to shine down on my modular, or if you want to have other musical equipment that does run on USB power, then you have a USB power output. And finally, there is a Eurorack power strip IDC connector on the front. So if you are checking out a new module and don't want to go in and poke in the back to find a cable, or you just want to test one of your DIY modules, then just plug this out, plug it in there, and you got all the power that you'd like. So that's the four functions of this module. If you buy it, you get it with a panel, a PCB, and a small bag of mostly connectors actually. So that's on my Tindie page for those who are interested in that. Other than that, yes, I am building a new rack box cart thingy magic. I'll get back to that in another video. So just wanted to say that the POW is available finally. I've wanted to have this a long time. Yeah, hope you have a great summer. Take care everyone. Bye.